if you've got an outdated IVR system or your customers are struggling to get through this thing, then I'm going to show you some alternatives or you can create. I'm going to show you how you can do this today by showing you some proof of stuff that I've built before, how much money you can save, and how it actually sounds. Welcome, I'm Henrik. I've been doing voiceover for the past 3.5 years or more. For one of my client builds, we replaced their old phone system, so the old IVR system. They had around 12 departments, and their leads or their customers got stuck through all this like maze of buttons they had to click to get through to anywhere. So we implemented for them a new system using voice AI. And just to show you a bit of the maths behind this, so they used to have about 6 people sitting across billing, sales, and parts, and somewhere between 40 and 50,000 each per person, which I just got the minimum, and I got 5 times 45, give me $225,000 that we saved for this business, because they could either place those people somewhere else or not have them there running in the business, since most of that stuff is now handled by the system that we built for them. So they decided to keep at least one person on during that system, because we do still get some edge cases here and there where the person requests specifically to talk to a human, or like we didn't think of an edge case and it transfers over to them. But anyway, about 225K. How the actual backend looks like, this is what I built about 2.5, 3 years ago. So the system's been running for a little while. I built it back then in make.com, which I wouldn't build it in this anymore, but it works really well. I don't really have to touch it too much, and some numbers of how much it actually costs you to run this stuff every month. So let's say you're doing like 1,400 minutes per month and you get about 2.5K calls. You're going to spend about $132 USD. So for another month, I'll show you, we did about 1.5K minutes, 2.5K calls, about $140. So you could say about like 140 bucks a month for about 2,500 calls. So just to show you how that actually sounds like, anyway, let's have a listen. I've just redacted the name of the business here at the start.
Welcome to. You're calling us on a recorded line. How can we help today?
To organise a pickup date.
Okay, you'd like to organize a pickup date. Would you like me to transfer you to our delivery team?
Yes, please.
Okay, give me a second to transfer you, please.
And yeah, that was it. That was the call. That was 19 seconds of a phone call. That person called, they said they wanted something, and it correctly picked up what they wanted, and it just transferred them right away to the right department without them having to click on different IVR menus and being stuck in there. One of the things I want to talk to you is that when we built the system initially, we actually built the wrong thing, and we initially built a booking flow because we thought they wanted to book appointments to go and see specific things within like the stores that they had. However, no one even used that, but mostly just used it for IVRs. And actually, a high number of people were calling because they already knew someone in the business. So it's like, hey, I want to talk to Alex, and then and the AI would then try and transfer that person to the person that they want to talk to directly. And we did that by mapping each person's name with their direct extension within the business. Another thing I want to talk about here is like sometimes we want to make the AI really smart and intelligent by giving it lots of documentation. In this case, with a pretty complex like IVR system replacement prompt that we have, I didn't want to give it too much more knowledge. So we didn't want to do this because it does bring in too much info into the context, and it actually degrades the voice the longer the phone call goes for. And it can then create issues. So what we did instead is we created like a second AI agent, and we just extract info from that. You can actually check out one of my videos. I did that, I think, last week. I explained there's like different types of knowledge bases you can have for AI. If you guys would like to, you could use a platform like Vappy to help you do this, or you could even use a platform like Retail to help you build and replace your old IVR system like this. I've got plenty of videos on my channel where you can go and like watch me build some of this stuff, so you're welcome to do that. However, if you just want to get started quickly and not waste like 4 to 6 weeks trying to build something yourself and then not have it work, which I've seen quite a lot, just book a call with me below, and right, thank you, and see you in the next one.